To adjust brightness on your Sceptre monitor, you'll use the on-screen display or OSD system. This is a built-in menu interface that gives you control over all display settings. First, locate the menu button on your Sceptre monitor. It's typically found on the back or side of the monitor, often labeled clearly. Once you press Menu, the OSD will appear on your screen. Navigate to the picture or display settings using the directional buttons on your monitor. In the picture menu, look for the brightness option. This setting typically uses a scale from 0 to 100, where 0 is the darkest and 100 is the brightest. Use the left and right directional buttons to decrease or increase the brightness value. You'll see the change in real time on your screen as you adjust the setting. Some Sceptre monitors also include a separate backlight control in the same menu. This provides hardware-level brightness adjustment and can be used alongside the standard brightness setting for optimal results. Once you've set your desired brightness level, confirm your changes by pressing the Select or Enter button, then exit the menu. Your new brightness setting will be saved automatically. Different activities require different brightness levels for optimal viewing comfort and eye health. Let's explore the recommended settings for various use cases. Office work requires moderate brightness to reduce eye strain during long periods of document editing and reading. Gaming needs higher brightness for better visibility in dark scenes and competitive advantage. Media consumption works best with lower brightness to create a comfortable viewing experience, especially in dimmer environments. These settings help prevent eye fatigue and maintain color accuracy. Now let's address common brightness-related issues you might encounter with your Sceptre monitor and how to resolve them effectively. The most common issue is difficulty accessing the OSD menu. If buttons appear unresponsive, first ensure they are clean and not physically stuck. If maximum brightness seems insufficient, check the backlight settings separately from the brightness control. These are often different menu options in the OSD. Uneven brightness across the screen typically indicates a hardware problem with the backlight system and usually requires professional repair or replacement. Brightness flickering is often caused by power supply issues or loose cable connections. Check all connections and try a different power outlet if the problem persists. These troubleshooting steps resolve most brightness-related issues with Sceptre monitors. Always start with the simplest solutions before considering hardware problems or professional service.